Quadratic equations, my favorite topic. So a quadratic equation is an equation that can be written in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. I'm going to change the color of these coefficients. So ax square plus bx plus c. So this is an equation in one variable where the degree of the variable is 2. So if the degree of the variable has to be 2, then a cannot be equal to 0. And this is also known as the standard form of a quadratic equation. This is standard form of the quadratic equation. Let's look at some examples. So example could be x square plus 4x plus 3 equals 0, or negative 5x square equals 0, or 1/2 of x times x minus 6 equals to negative 6. Now if you had to tell me the values of a, b and c, so in the first equation we have a is 1, coefficient of x square, b is 4, and c is 3. In the second example, coefficient of x square is negative 5, and since there is no x term, that means value of b is 0, and there is no constant term, that means c is also equal to 0. Now in the third one, we need to apply the distributive property in order to rewrite it in the standard form. So let's distribute this 1/2 x. So you get 1/2 times x square minus 1/2 times 6 is going to give us 3. So 3x equals negative 6. It is still not in the standard form. In the standard form, right hand side should be always 0. So we are going to add a 6 on both the sides. Minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. And now we can write the constants. So constant of x square, that is, coefficients. Coefficient of x square is 1/2. Coefficient of x is negative 3. And c is 6. So this was just an introduction of quadratic equations. In the next video, we will see basically everything that we want to do in quadratic equations is we want to solve these equations. We want to find out the value of x for which the equation will become true. So there are a couple of methods. The very first method is solving the equation graphically. So the graph of the equation will be given to us, and we will have to tell the solution. So there are 3 cases for which I've drawn the 3 graphs, but we'll see that in the next video.